Looking for a software solution that makes custom home building smoother, faster, and more organized? CoConstruct is the perfect tool to streamline the entire process. Whether you're a builder or a homeowner looking to keep track of your custom home project, CoConstruct offers everything you need to stay on top of it all. First up, CoConstruct allows seamless project management, from budgeting to scheduling, so you're never left wondering where things stand. It centralizes all your data, so whether you're tracking costs or managing client communications, everything is just a click away. Next thing, CoConstruct provides an intuitive interface that simplifies communication. Instead of juggling emails and phone calls, all your messages, updates, and approvals are kept in one easy-to-navigate platform. This means fewer mistakes, less confusion, and better relationships with clients, subcontractors, and your team. The third thing, CoConstruct offers real-time project updates, giving you visibility into the status of every task. This feature ensures everyone involved is always on the same page. With every change reflected instantly, there's no need to chase down details or worry about outdated information. Another huge advantage? Customizable reporting and dashboards. CoConstruct makes it easy to generate tailored reports so you can keep track of budgets, timelines, and progress. With just a few clicks, you can provide clients with exactly the information they need without wasting time on manual updates. Next, let's talk about client-facing features. CoConstruct enables you to give your clients access to a customized portal where they can view updates, approve selections, and even make payments. This helps build trust and keeps everything transparent, leading to better client satisfaction and fewer disputes. The fifth thing is their built-in change order management. This makes tracking scope changes simple and ensures that you're always paid for any extra work. This feature saves a lot of time and headache, as it's easy to keep everything organized and on the same page when changes occur. And here's the best part. You can use CoConstruct for completely free from the first link in the description below with exclusive bonuses. That's right, we've got you covered with a special deal so you can test out all these powerful features risk-free. Finally, CoConstruct integrates with other popular tools like QuickBooks and Xero, so you can manage finances, payroll, and invoices without jumping between multiple systems. This integration ensures smooth operations and saves you time, so you can focus on what matters most, building your custom homes. If you're serious about building custom homes more efficiently, CoConstruct is the way to go. Remember, the link below gives you access to an exclusive, extended free trial. Don't miss out on trying CoConstruct and experiencing firsthand how it can transform your custom home building projects.